Hello viewers, welcome back to Beauticianchic studio. They call me Vic Bone and I have here with me.
And this is your girl Amy.
So right now this is another edition of our charity series. We're giving people back-to-back hair and makeup series. So right now we are at Coconut Street, Ibejuleki, Adeba to be precise.
Yeah.
And we are looking around to beautify beautiful women already. So we are moving from shop to shop.
Please, before we take you down that lane, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the notification button. And if you've been our old-time follower, we love you always and now. And please, if you're new, share it, subscribe, hit the notification button, and you'll always be the first person to get our latest updates. So before we proceed,
now if you want us to come to your street, just feel free to comment under the comment section. African countries.
You can actually go to, I would like to go to South Africa,
Tanzania.
Very well.
And if you want us to go overseas too, just comment under the comment section. UK to be precise. I love that country too much. So UK to be precise, or France, or Italy. So feel free to comment under the comment section. Guys, watch out as we transform beautiful women who are already beautiful but want to transform them, give them the perfect makeover. So let's go. Beauticianchic studio. Let's go.
Let's go.
Hello viewers, welcome back. So right now we are at Coconut Street, Adeba, Ibejuleki, Lakwe. So right here I have this beautiful mama, African queen, and we are here in our store, also in our house, to make her up. So mama, please do us a favor, tell the viewers what's your name, ma?
My name is Mrs. Margaret Adi.
So you all heard that. So mama, what's your occupation?
I'm a trader.
So trader out there, if you are watching mama, you can see that we are trying to make mama look beautiful. So mama, I want to ask now, what are you expecting now after this whole hair and makeup transformation?
I want to look more beautiful than this.
We, as you can hear, mama wants to look more beautiful than this, and trust us, we Beauticianchic, we are always here to deliver. So watch out for mama. After her makeup and our transformation, we are still going to bring her back here to tell us how she feels. So mama, do us a favor, say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Welcome back, guys. So we are done with the hair and makeup. So I present to you, voila, Mama the Mama. This is a wonderful transformation. So Mama, tell me, how do you feel?
I feel so happy, so excited. I'm so happy. You did not see her. I'm beautiful.
Pepper.
I'm under 10 now.
If you want to rate we now Beauticianchic Studio between 1 to 10, what will be our rate? If you want to score us now, concerning this your makeup, we are just
if I want to score you people, 99.
So you are hearing now, Beauticianchic Studio, you are taking over, going around, making people more beautiful. So, Mama, what's your own advice to other elderly women like you who still wants to remain beautiful like you? What's your advice to them?
Let them be doing makeup, dress themselves very well. You know, this life is packaging. Once you package yourself well, you will look young.
Yes, so yes. So forever young Mama. So if you are our viewers, you are watching Mama now, you look, Mama is looking under 10, looking very, very young. So you see that makeup is actually a good thing that you can use to spice up yourself.
This makeup pictures for my children now, they will not know me.
Exactly. So viewers, let's watch Mama put on her glasses now. Mama, then get pose. Put on your glasses for them. Let's pose. Pose for them. One, pose 2. Pose 3. Pose 4. Nice. Thank you for watching Beauticianchic Studio. Comment under the comment section if you love Mommy's makeup. Give her the love sign, give her thumbs up sign. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel, Beauticianchic Studio. Follow us on Instagram, Beauticianchic_NG. Like our posts, like our pictures, like our videos. Share to your family and friends. Beauticianchic Studio. Time now.